Hi guys, this lesson we're going to talk about mask recognition. Before starting this game, you need to install MP3 module on Shoulder. The assembly method, principle, and command used in this video can be viewed in the file under the same directory. Now, let's get started. Open LX terminal. Enter command and press enter to come to the directory of game programming. Please note that you must pay attention to case sensitivity and following keyword with tab key. Then, enter the following command and press enter to start a game. Please note that you'd better start a game in a walled environment. Only one human face is allowed to appear to avoid a failing experience. Now, let's look at the performance.
This way, please. No mask. Please wear a mask first. Mask on. This way,
Okay,
please.
this is the end of the lesson. Please have a try.